more studies, because visualize yourself to wealth isn't just an idea where it's like, oh, it'd be nice if some of these things I told everyone worked. Let's back everything up with example after example, and let's throw some science in there. A 2011 study by scientists at the McGill University in Montreal found that when told to eat more fruit, people who envisioned every step of the process, reaching for it, biting into it, enjoying it, were more successful than those who genuinely thought about eating more fruit. Because it's all about exercising the brain. It's all about visually seeing it. Now, this is just one example. You can Google studies after studies after studies after studies when it comes to vision, when it comes to the brain, and how if you exercise this is where it all begins. The belief and all of it all starts here, reaching for it and enjoying it. It's so much more different from the people who are like, I don't want to eat more fruit. They're not gonna eat more fruit. And it's just little studies like this that if you apply this little fruit study, but into your career, you'd be surprised how so much more things happen for you versus all the negativity that you've built up over the past month, 3 months, for certain people, year, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, their whole life, they've been told by other people you're gonna fail, fail, fail. So then you're combating 40 years of negativity into a career. It's not gonna happen because there's no more belief there. So be sure to check out not just this study, but all the studies you can find, how it's research after research after research that proven about the envisionment of wealth and success and being healthy.